Hi, dear friends. Today we are going to study about Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is actually we are using to create a presentation. So, can you see there is a searching space here? You can find the PowerPoint from here itself. Neither the right click button and the new and Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So it will come like this. If you double click it, it will open. So this is the welcome screen of the PowerPoint actually. So when we go to the home, we can see there is so many other facilities and other functions here. Once we click the first slide, it will come like this. So there is no title and there is nothing here. So this is our first slide. We can select so many designs. Can you see there is a menu for designs? There is this is the file button, and this is the home, this is the insert, and next the design, transition, animation, slideshow, view, everything is here. And this is the main welcome screen of the PowerPoint. Once the PowerPoint is started, you can notice that the document contains a single slide only. To insert a new slide, we can click the home and we can see many other options here, and we can see there is a new slide option. When we click here, it will come. So we can select which slide we want. See, this slide is for title slide, and this is for title and content. This is the section header, and this is the title only, and there is a blank slide also. So we can choose any slide from here. Suppose I selected a slide like this. Now we need to insert one more slide, suppose after the slide 1. Suppose to insert one more slide after slide 1, we have to be click the 1 and go to the home and new slide. So here we can choose like this. And if want, we have to be click any slide. We have to be select the slide, those who want to delete, and you have to be right mouse button and then delete. You can see there is a delete slide option here. So by this you can delete it. So and then we can change the background color. We can change the background color from the design menu. See, can you see there is a design menu, and see format background here, format background. The format background window is displayed on the right of the screen. Choose an effect from the 4 purposes choices. If we click here, there is so many purposes choices will come. So we can select the solid fill to apply a unified color to your slide, and you can select the gradient fill color to apply a mixture of colors to your slide. Okay, so this is the way to change the background color. We can choose the color from here. You can choose like this, and for the first slide, suppose we can choose any. So by this way we can choose the background color. And after that I have to insert a picture. So I'm going to the home and new slide. See, there is an option for title and content. There is an option for to content. There is an option for comparison. So we can choose anyone to insert the picture. So suppose I'm going to insert one. Can you see there is so many options here? Like the first option is insert table, and the second option is insert chart, and the third option is insert a small art graphic, and the pictures, online pictures, insert video. So we can insert any by clicking here. Neither we can insert by using the insert option. So table, picture, online pictures, everything is here. So no need to be worried. So suppose I am going to insert the picture. I click the picture option here and I will choose the any picture, and if I click the insert it will come here. So we can move here or here. It's my choice, it's our choice, and we can increase and the length, so we can change it at any way. I'm going to put the heading science. So this is the way we can insert an image. The next we are going to study to make a duplicate slide. Suppose I want to a duplicate slide same like this. Suppose what we do, we have to be click the second slide, because the second slide we need to want one more slide like as a duplicate. So we have to be click the second slide and we have to be go home, and there is an option for new slide. See, there is an option for new slide. At the end of that, duplicate selected slides. When you click there, see, it will come like this. I got the duplicate slide. So here actually I don't want any duplicate slide, so I am going to delete. How we can delete the slide? The right button and we can delete the slide. So I'm going to make one text box here. So we can make a text box here by using the insert menu. See, we go to the insert and there is a text box. You can see that there is a text box. So the text box, if you click the text box and which place we want to, we have to be fixed here, suppose. So inside that we can give something. We can give we can write anything. Science. Yes. The science. I just given the text box just like science. So now we are going to animating an object. So for the animation, we can see the animations. When we click here, there is so many options. But when we selected the slide, when we click again the animation, we can see there is so many. See, it will appear like this, like this, like this. There is so many options. Okay, there is so many options to display the different animation style is here. So you can try it anyway. Then the duration and the delay we can change. So this is the way to animate an object. So I am choose this. Okay, and the next we are going to study about creating a navigation menu. So for creating a navigation menu, do you know why we creating the navigation menu? Suppose for the first slide, if we click the second slide, it will come. The third slide, it will come. So suppose from the first slide itself, I want to go the third slide. Suppose the third slide is, thank you. Suppose the thank you. So the first slide is welcome. So this is our slides, the first, second and the third. Suppose if the project will be displayed on the full screen, it is impossible to go from the first slide to the third or the fourth or fifth. Okay, it is possible only the first slide and the next second slide and the next third slide. Simultaneously it is possible, but is it impossible from the first slide to directly go to the third slide or fourth slide? So we are using here the navigation menu by using the hyperlink. So how we can fix them? Suppose I'm making here a text box by insert a text box. So insert text box. Some like end slide. Suppose if we no need to make see, I'm going to select this, and we have to be go from the option insert. There is an option for hyperlink. Did you see that? There is an option for hyperlink, so we have to be choose that, and the place in this document, and the which slide we want to go. So the end file is the thank you file, the third file. So I click here. Yes, this is a file. So if I click, it will already came an underline option. See, suppose this is the second slide and this is third slide. The first slide, I'm going to slideshow. See, this is a slideshow. The next. Okay, so I'm going to make the slideshow again, and did you see there is an end slide we created here as a navigation menu. So when we click here, it will directly go to the thank you menu. See, I will show you again. If we click here, it will go to directly the third. So this is the hyperlink. We can possible to go from the first slide to the first slide or any slide to the selected slide. Which slide we want, from the first slide to the end slide, or the first slide to the third or fourth slide. So we can choose any by this way. So this is the way to create a navigation menu by using the hyperlink.